Hello friends, in this video I will show how to convert multiple Excel sheets into one PDF. So guys, as we can see, we have this Excel workbook and there are some sheets. You can convert them into one PDF. Simple process, click on File, Save As. This PC and select Desktop. Now Save As type, so select here PDF. Give any name here like testing. In the options, select entire workbook. Make sure you have to select here entire workbook. Then click on OK. Tools, select compress pictures. If you have many pictures and you want to compress that PDF, so select any version from here. Then click on OK. Now save it. Now wait for a few seconds till this process will be complete. And make sure guys, in PDF you will see this line. So it's mean it will change the page. So you can adjust your data according to this line. This line means it has this one page of PDF. Firstly, we will see this is the result. If you see some part is missing, so adjust size there in Excel. If you see any empty page, so you can remove here. Like we don't need this one, or adjust size like this. Make a space here. Same. Remove or adjust. So this way you can adjust manually. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you. And in the last, just save as again.